India, we had very productive meetings, and of course I raised this issue as well, understanding where they are coming from. I think it is also easier for them to, to have this agreement with us and diversify their partnerships in this regard. What we also raised with them was the energy support to Ukraine, because, like you see, the Ukrainians are really in freezing cold. Russians are trying to bomb them into freeze to death, and even if you can't give military support, then the energy support in terms of substations, cables, whatever is needed to repair so that people wouldn't be in darkness and cold is also a humanitarian issue that could be done by them.